Okay, hello everybody. I'm Jaden Park. At PolyU, this is my third year. I just joined uh, two, uh, 2 years ago. So my research group, customer-centered design and innovation. So this is actually Professor Hunting and I. We developed kind of very kind of hardworking process we believe, and then this is result. If you have time, please come and see, and then we are welcome your comment. Okay, this is actually me. So interdisciplinary study, actually this is boom. So I studied painting, communication design, design research method, and business as well. So I'm personally interdisciplinary person. So our research group, we focus UX design, service design as a social science background, also some information system design and business entrepreneurship. This is research domain. So research focus, actually, I was very interested about kind of how business can be successful, what kind of thing business makes fail. And then also, so what digital innovation, product services system, and then digital transformation, actually service robot will be one example of it. And then, of course, as a design perspective, social scientists and the inclusive design or the topic, aging population, disabled people. So simply say, research perspective, socio-technical perspective. So understanding technology, actually what is really critical matter for human side. This is one direction, also social construction perspective. Because for example, technology will change people, but technology is socially constructed. Or design will change people, or design constructed. My perspective is a social construction perspective. And then of course, simply say, customer design and the customer-centered design innovation methodology, I do focus. That's why this is research collaboration normally. Our research group, also information system business side and marketing people, also Professor Hunting and I, we are developing design side. Also some tourism research and social workers, we are developing 3 domain of research I am targeting. So this is an example. Actually, luckily, I got school funding. So this is global reading collaboration. So Professor Hunting, Shanghai Jiadong University, this is one project I will do focus today, this one. Dancing with design features of service robot for aging population. So what is the key? So how we can understand people? The reason why robot industry is going on, because we are 2024. This is expectation. Who believe this expectation right curve? So how we can make a kind of more radical curve and transformative curve. That's why design mission statement is very important, what to make, not operate it. So the value statement, whether kind of in the market, there are so many different types of robot release, but here is something, for example, robot as artifact, robot as agent, or human-centered and technology-centered. I do focus more how robot can be agent, focused on human-centered. So we had kind of field study. We built more than 10 company in Shenzhen, robotics company. Market has 2 directions. One is technology-driven. The other is market-driven. There is no design actually, no design-driven service robot industry. So that's why robot is released. But when it's kind of people's consideration, we are different. Aging population, younger generation, or disabled people. That's why cross-cultural or human-centered design-oriented service robot and robot industry study is very important thing. So what to do? So in this project, I recognize the important thing is service fail. In every service context, robot fail, most of all. So coexistence is proposition, hypothesis. Whether how we can understand why service fail using robot and how we can propose coexist with people with by robotic technology and artifact of robot. So this is current situation, current existing robot technology, market-driven robot in the market in the world. But actually, current service problem is a service fail. So whether they invited a lot of types of robot, but actually service environment, robot as some kind of pragmatic agent. So that's why our proposition is value capture design proposition, how we can propose. So this is research direction. So why service fail? Understanding design requirement among multiple stakeholders, and then identifying value captures design proposition. Then there is some kind of features of service robot and platform to be more active agent, not just IT artifact, not just functional artifact. So this is two direction. AI operated robot coexist with AI. Also, teleoperated service robot, how using system, it can be possible to make people coexist, and then eventually people use long-term perspective, sustainable use, and then how we can change customers' satisfaction in the service environment. So how to do? So this is actually a collaboration project statement with the Shanghai Jiadong University. Shanghai Jiadong University is very good at kind of huge number of kind of infrastructure and then capability to focus design engineering. So our PolyU, we try to understand human factors and the business and design focus on value sensitive design. So based on this, in case study, in our research group developed Kudong Healthcare Center. Interesting thing is from first floor, seventh floor, exactly same structure. Also, they invited the same robot, but actually it is not so effective way they use. So everybody kind of different organization and different people, they use different ways. So that's why we try to figure it out how they can use and then what is the actual situation, why service is a fail. So this is study one. We focus multiple stakeholders, service robot as boundary object, service robot as an IT artifact, how they can effectively use with without robot, before, after, how people change their working behavior, their practice. And they study too, after understanding requirement and then how we can propose future design features of service robot and platform to be more active IT artifact or to be more active IT agent. So this study, why this is so important, because this is a starting point. Value captured scenario, we will try to focus many different industry, robot service cases, hotel, and then aging population or disabled people, and the multiple case of study, we will propose service scenario and the basic element. Then I believe this is the first step, how robot industry, service robot coexist with the people and human factors. And then I hope to collaborate at the beginning and at the end, design engineering perspective, how we can propose basic application, intelligent platform, and then eventually kind of how robot coexist with the people and society to make a kind of service a success. Recently, I got one more project because I recognize aging population, how robot can be coexist with people. But hotel industry service robot actually is also service is a fail. But the direction is different. In this project, we do focus because the service is movement. How we can exciting service moment increased customers' experience with robot. So not just kind of caring population issue. This is how we can increase customers' experience in the center of hospitality and the hotel industry. That's why this theme is robot-driven digital transformation in the hotel industry. We focus local hotel group, Nina Hotel. So we do understand why services fail. If they really invite kind of robot technology as a robot, and then how we can propose kind of momentary service, impression service by robot. This is the thing we are now developing one project with Nina Hotel Group. Okay, thank you so much.